talaga. Boss, yes, sir. Alam mo si Kati. Ay, nakukuhanan ulit oh.
Sa panayam kay DOJ spokesperson Nico Clavano, sabi nila ay mula sa NAIA Terminal 1 ay dadalhin ang dalawa sa Bureau of Immigration dahil si Sheila Guo nga ay nag-violate ng mga batas na may kinalaman sa immigration at isasagawa ang proseso even during the long weekend. At pagkatapos ng proseso na yan ay saka sila ito-turn over sa Senado at sa Kamara. Hindi pa masabi ni Clavano kung gaano katagal ang prosesong ito, pero umasa sila na magiging mabilis lamang ang proseso na ito. So far, ang sitwasyon dito ay mahigpit pa din ang seguridad kahit nakaalis na dito sa NAIA Terminal 1 sina Sheila Guo at Cassandra Ong. Denise.
And then, how about Ms. Guo?
Ms. Guo will have to be under the custody of immigration dahil yung charge naman sa kanya po ay immigration violations.
Sir, wala pang arrest warrant si Cassandra?
Sorry?
May arrest warrant pa po ba siya? Or?
Well, the Senate has already, the House has already issued an order of arrest for her. However, we have to charge her with obstruction of justice, which is a crime we believe she has committed in this case. Kaya po, dadaan muna natin sa inquest proceedings over the weekend. After all po ng lahat po ng proseso na idadaan po ng dalawa, they will be presented in either the House or the Senate. The legal custody will have to be with immigration dahil po yung violation po niya ay violation of immigration laws.
Sir, kailan po siya idadala sa Senado at sa Congress?
We will have to wait until the whole process is finished, and for sure during the hearings we will make sure that they are present.
For today, sir.
Anong impormasyon na nakarating sa inyo?
That will have to be kept confidential dahil po ongoing pa po yung operation natin sa kanya. No? We believe at this point that actions speak louder than words. Kaya if you will allow us to keep these details private and confidential muna, then we will apprise the public as soon as they become available.
Pero nasa Indonesia pa rin siya sa palagay natin.
That is something that we have to keep close to our chest. No? Confidential muna natin yan. Basta, we are in the process of locating her. Confidential po yung mga operational details po niyan. Wala pa po silang abogado, but they are of course entitled to one. Kakasabi lang po ng Secretary of Justice ho natin that we have to respect the rights of the two. No? Hindi naman pwede na dahil nandito na sila sa Pilipinas at alam naman ho natin na malaking-malaki itong issue natin, that we can forgo any of these rights that are afforded to them. Kaya po, we are making sure that all the rights are respected. We have to go through the right processes, which includes the inquest proceedings where the charges will be read to them. They will also be given a chance to explain their side, and then we will have to see kung ano yung mangyayari after that.
Kasi saan po sila magpapalipas ng gabi niyan, DI na?
Well, I think that will have to be the process. No? So, baka dun po sila.
So sir, how long po sila madadetain sa DI?
Well, I cannot give a definite timeline, but we just have to make sure that all the processes are finished and completed. Okay? Ganun naman, kaya po inquest ang gagawin. So, meron naman talagang naka-standby na mga prosecutors kung sakaling may mga ganitong processes, no? Kahit sa weekend, meron naman po tayo mga inquest prosecutor na makakapag-process sa mga ganitong bagay.
Inquest on what charges?
Obstruction of justice, as well as violation of the Passport Act.
Kanselado po ba ang passport nila?
Not as of, well, I have yet to receive any information that their passports have been cancelled already.
Even, pati kay Mayor po, wala tayong information.
Wala pa akong information from, that would have to be kasi DFA. Okay? Maraming salamat.